All right, we're making the goats a goat shelter today, so y'all stay tuned. You can see Hank in the background yelling at me, telling me to get busy. It's starting to get a little cold. Here come Bullet. Come on, Bullet. I'm making it over here. Actually, I meant to show you all this too. It's got a pretty neat little ravine or down here that they've got areas they can climb. I've got the bottom platform made, and I'm using this pretty much from all just free supplies. I've got this from a hardware store right down the road from us here, and they graciously gave me a bunch of pallets, and so this is the start of it right here. Got a good bottom platform. I used the painted wood on the bottom, which it was already painted to help protect it. I'm going to get it off the ground with some bricks. So anyway, just going to show you a little bit of what I've got so far. Got some more pallets. We got it leveled, ready for the sheet metal to go around it, or the wood slats. Can't quite decide it. Shelter made out of pallet wood. Pretty much the whole project has been zero cost as of right now. And I got some scrap metal that I'm gonna finish up, and I'm gonna finish slatting the holes right here with pallets. I'm gonna get some more wood. We even got it completely level both ways. So pretty nice little shelter form right here. I already had the nails, so. Pretty solid up there. Yeah, check it on the inside. There, Sam. What do you think, bud? Is it all right? Perfect. It'll have a little overhang here. It'll have a little shade and porch. Put a few pallets down. What's up, Hank? You want food? Gotta see where does this thing come across where I'm hitting the 2x4.